been a long 2 hours, but we're coming up to the Crow's Nest Highway. This is my favorite part of Alberta, is these Rocky Mountains that we are about to enter.
Take the next right.
Right now we're trying to get to the claim, and Kevin's kind of lost. My GPS doesn't even show me any roads anymore. So we are in the middle of buttfuck nowhere. This is like a road for the Jeep. Still got another 4 more kilometers to go through this little bush path. This is it. We finally made her. Kevin's claim, Perry Creek. Fuck me. What a drive. Saw 2 bears already.
2 bears.
What are your thoughts of sleeping?
Where's the bear, Holly? Where's the bear? Okay, easy.
Fuck. Yeah, we saw the bears a few kilometers down the road. That's kind of checking the place out. So I guess I won't be sleeping in the back because I filled up the El Shito before I left. And the El Shito tipped over in the box, got it all wet. Was gonna set up the shit tent, but that's gonna shit right beside the road. Fuck it. We are in the middle of nowhere. I guess with those bear sightings, probably a good idea to sleep in the cab because I ain't gonna sleep in the back because it's wet. Camera won't even focus in the dark. It's late, we just got here. Motherfucking beer time. Even though you can't see it, it's shadowed out, but I got a rolling rock right here. Well, it's morning. The El Shito is gonna be waiting as soon as I have my coffee and get something to eat. Maybe start doing some prospecting. We are deep in the woods. No bear visitors last night. There's a couple bears around this area. Just kind of getting the morning going. Worked all day. Drove most of the night, so feeling a little exhausted today, but we'll see how the day goes. Gotta get some coffee into me first. Brought the old Spot X out, giving it a good try out here in the bush. Man, throat is raspy today. You just sitting by the fire vaping? That's right. Vape Nation, bro. Vape. want to do a sample here. I just reposition. Interesting enough, not even any black sands, nothing. This forest is fucking dense. That's for sure. I like that bucket thing, that's pretty slick. Any black sands?
A little. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Not really seeing much of anything. Says a lot of mosquitoes. Fine amounts of black sand in there. Fucking mosquitoes. No flakes though. Not even a trace. This looks like a natural sluice area here. Let's see if I can get a sample out of there. Water during a flood event. It came right over that, dropped out. I need to find deep enough part of this creek. I just quickly want to pan that down, but nothing. Nothing, she said. I'm also not putting in a lot of effort either. Zero traces of black sands. I just came back out to the road. Came out with the bridge. We actually went in way down here. That brush is thick. Fucking real thick. Well, that was short and sweet. We're just packing it up. Heading to Fort Steele now to visit our buddy Dave. We just want to come out here just to check this claim out and see if it'd be worthwhile. Probably a lot of gold here, some flour gold. I don't know about you, but it's a lot of fucking work. A lot of fucking work to drag your shit in there. Personally, me and Kevin both agreed the North Saskatchewan River is way easier. You can go fucking anywhere on there and find gold. None of this driving fucking hundreds of kilometers to come way out here and then work your ass off and hopefully to find something. That's why we're not spending a lot of fucking time here. We're going for the easy gold. Anyways, we're gonna go see what Dave is doing. Sketchy little roads all over the place, trying to get the fuck out of here.